This popular Italian town will fine you $2,800 for a banned fashion faux pas. If you plan to visit Italy's Cinque Terre this summer, be careful with your footwear. If you plan to visit Italy's Cinque Terre this summer, know that you're in for a treat. The colorful community is popular for a reason, it's downright gorgeous. The pastel buildings that sit along the cliff's edge are met by the azure waters of the Ligurian Sea, making for a truly picture-perfect moment. However, there is one thing that can ruin your vacation getaway here: your footwear. And local authorities are once again reminding people to leave their strappy shoes at home. In 2019, the Cinque Terre National Park Authority began warning visitors about attempting to hike on the craggy, slippery trails without proper footwear. Specifically, it warned visitors to avoid flip-flops, strappy sandals, or other inappropriate shoes for the trails, and if they're caught rocking some flops, they won't just be arrested as a fashion victim. They'll be fined for it too. And not just a measly amount either. People caught wearing the wrong shoes could be fined up to €2,500, which is around $2,817 thanks to a weak US dollar. CNN reported at the time that the footwear rule came into play after the local mountain rescue crews became exasperated by having to rescue so many people tripping over their own feet. These are difficult paths, in some cases, similar to mountain paths, Patrizio Scarpolini, director of the Cinque Terre National Park, told CNN Travel. Essential to have proper shoes. In April of this year, Euronews noted that park officials are now carrying out checks on hikers to ensure they indeed have the right shoes, meaning they are very serious about the rule, but isn't the only change visitors need to anticipate if they plan to visit over the Easter holiday or busier days during the summer months. Euronews also reported that park officials will implement one-way systems along popular stretches to ensure crowds can easily stay streamlined. It noted that the Monterosso Vernazza stretch of the trail will be one-way from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. on the busiest days in April, May, and June. This measure, already successfully tested in 2023 and 2024, is aimed at improving the use of the trail and ensuring the safety of visitors by avoiding dangerous intersections and congestion along a particularly narrow and steep path. Park authorities shared, visitors should also ensure they pre-purchase their Cinque Terre trekking card to get access to the park, with tickets starting at €7.50, about $8.45, on slower days and/or €15, about $17, on peak days, so just remember, card, footwear, and go the right way. Other than that, relax and enjoy the view and the knowledge that you're following all the rules. See all the paths around the park, including a few lesser trafficked ones that offer equally stunning views, at parconazionale5terra.it.